All right, boys and girls. So today you are going to be completing a math mystery project called Max's Stolen Burger. So the directions say Max was at his favorite diner and left the table to use the restroom. When he returned, he found that his burger had been stolen. Luckily for Max, you are great at helping solve mysteries. So you decide to take up the case. Interview the townspeople and solve clues on each of the task cards to help narrow down the suspect list and find out who took Max's burger. So the second slide shows you these are the suspects. Sal was ordering at the counter and he ordered a milkshake. Gary was sitting on a bar stool and he ordered a large fry. So you have the names, the location of where they were, and an additional clue. Your job is to solve each math problem. So you start by solving the division problem. 24 divided by 3 is 8. The waiter informs you that he has a great clue about the suspect. After speaking to the waiter, you're able to conclude, since the answer was 8, the suspect is not allergic to dairy. So then you go back up to your suspect list. It won't be on their location, but it'll be an additional clue. They are not allergic to dairy. So if it says they are allergic to dairy, then you know that person could not have been the one who stole the hamburger. Keep going down. Anyone else? Here's another person that's allergic to dairy, so it can't be this person, can't be Peter. So you cross them out. As you go, you're going to be left with only one person. So as you continue to solve problems, for instance, 45 divided by 9, how many groups of 9 fit in 45? 5. You'll use those clues. The suspect is a female. Wow, that's going to take a lot off my list. As I go through, I can use their names. Sal, that's a male. I'm going to cross Sal off. Gary, that's a male. I'm going to cross Gary off. Brett, that's a male. I'm going to cross Brett off. And I'm going to keep going. Jonas is a male. Alfred is a male. Jenny and Nicole are females. So as you go, you'll be left with only one suspect. You'll have to go through all of these clues to see if you can figure out who did it, who stole the hamburger. Good luck.